Hi guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I thought I'll talk to you about something that has been requested to me quite a lot. And by quite a lot, I mean total of 3 people have requested that to me. But that is quite a lot for me. So I'll be talking about how to remove facial hair at home. So because of the lockdown and because of the entire pandemic, of course the parlors and everything has been shut. And we as an Indian society we basically rely on the parlor wali didi for threading quite a lot. I mean, very few people in my life have seen जो घर पे ही कर रहे हैं बहुत time से, but now everybody is getting to do this at home and people are generally freaking out about it. Do not worry, there are very easy solutions to remove facial hair at home. I will give you 4 solutions today and I hope you find this useful. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first way of doing this is by waxing. I know it can sound daunting, but it's actually very easy. So अगर आपने इस lockdown में you have been waxing at home, you have been using cold wax, this is a very easy step for you. So basically for facial hair removal, Veet has made separate kits. These are the ready-to-use face precision waxing kit. How it is different from the normal cold waxes because it has thinner strips. So because strips are so thin, it's easy to get your little hair and to get it to areas like your eyebrow and your upper lip. Of course, if you are sensitive, if you have majorly sensitive skin, I would not recommend you to use this because if you get rashes on the rest of your body even after waxing, this is not for you. But for others, this is a definite try because इससे छोटे से छोटा बाल बाहर आ जाता है and it's actually not that painful, you know. It's just as painful as any waxing experience in the parlor is, and it's very good. It comes with the after clean wipes because cold wax does not get clean just by water. You have to use oil for it, and it's a very precise kit. It can go a long way, and it is easily available on Amazon and Nykaa. I will link it down below so that it's easy for you to find it. I'll quickly show you how I do it. So the first step is to clean your face well. I'll take the strip, warm it between my fingers so that the wax warms itself up, and I'll apply it onto the upper lip in the direction of the hair, but I'll pull in the opposite direction. So that's how waxing on your upper lip is done. Make sure you get all your hair properly. Cross check, double check, triple check, but make sure you get everything. And I'll quickly finish it off with the wipe, the oil wipe that I get with the pack. And I'll apply ice after this, which I forgot to record, so do that for sure. The second way to do it is by tweezing. So tweezer is basically this little instrument. It has an angled top, if you can see. It has an angled top, and all you have to do is, it's sharp, right? So all you have to do is you have to pluck each hair. It is actually pretty widely used in countries other than India and other than the countries where threading is normal. So US and all, people generally use this only, and this is how they go about it. I used to be very scared of tweezing, to be very honest. मुझे लगता था एक बाल निकालना, it is so it's actually a very difficult task, you know. But truth be told, it is not difficult and it's not as painful as you think it is. These tweezers are easily available again on Amazon or Nykaa. I will find some and I will link them down below. So all you have to do is you have to the best way to go about it is rest your wrist on your cheek and you just go pull. Very quick hack that I will give you for this is before you start tweezing, take some ice, put it in a hanky and numb the area where you are tweezing. So that even reduces the potential pain that could have happened. So usse jab area numb ho jata, you can quickly tweeze and then you're good to go. It's very quick, it's easy, and you don't actually have to wait till the jungle has grown back. So you can tweeze as and when required. So this is a fantastic tool again. The third way to remove hair at home is by using an epilator. So truth be told, I've never used the epilator in my life because मुझे बहुत डर लगता है उस equipment से. But there are a lot of people that I know who are using it regularly and have been using it for quite a while, and they're very happy with the results. I will put a picture right here of what an epilator looks like. It's basically this pen looking device which you roll onto your skin and it pulls the hair from its roots. If you have used an epilator on your hand or on your legs and if you are very comfortable using it, I think this is a must buy, because if you are used to that kind of hair removal technique, I think this is a must buy for you. I will again look for some links if I can find any and I'll put them down in the description below if you're interested in buying. The fourth and the final way, and my most trusted way of removing hair, is by shaving. Yes, you heard it right. I shave my face. I have no shame in accepting it. So before lockdown, I used to just shave the peach fuzz off my face because it's easy for the makeup to glide on and also gives the skin a nice flawless look if you have the peach fuzz removed. But ever since the lockdown has been implemented, I have been using the razor on my upper lip and on my eyebrows. So I know shaving has a lot of myths associated to it. Baal kaale वापस आते हैं, the hair which comes back is thicker and it gives a bad look and all. It's not like that. I have been shaving for 6 months now and I have peach fuzz right now on my face, but you definitely cannot see. Neither is it clashing with the complexion or anything like that. So the facial razors of course are very different for men as is to women. Do not use the men razor. This is what a facial razor for a woman looks like. It's basically this slightest, the patlest of blade that it possibly could have been. It's sharp and it's fantastic to remove hair. The only problem with the razor is that the hair tends to grow back quicker. So that is only because you're removing the hair not from the root but from the surface, right? So it will grow back quicker. But because it's only like when you're doing an upper lip, it's only like a 2-minute process. So I have to do this once in 15 days, which is actually not a bad frequency. It's pretty okay. That's how much I used to wait for my threading sessions. But this is a fantastic buy. I love shaving my face and it actually gives a very nice feel to the skin because with hair it also is very good for removing the dead skin cells. So if you want me to do a detailed video on how I shave my face, please drop it down below. I would love to do this video for you. These razors are easily available across sites. I bought this one from Miniso, but you can find one on Nykaa, you can find one on Amazon, etc. There are a lot of places to do that. Alright, so that does it for today's video. These were my trusted ways of removing facial hair. If there are any other ways that you have been practicing this lockdown, please drop them down in the comment box below. I would love to read them, and if there are nice different ways, I might just use them on my own also because it's always good to try new ways of doing stuff. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this useful. If you have questions related to any of the products, please feel free to ask me in any which way possible. Other than that, take care of yourselves, guys. Loads of love. Bye.